Today, I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the airbag in a 2015 Ford S-Max. The same procedure also applies to the Ford Galaxy, Mondeo, Kuga, and Fusion. To begin, we need to disconnect the battery. This will prevent any accidental short circuits and allow us to safely remove and reconnect the airbag during the procedure. To disconnect the battery, we only need to remove one battery terminal. The positive terminal is easily accessible, and we need a 10mm spanner to loosen it. Now, let's move inside the car and remove the airbag. On the back of the steering wheel, you can see a small round opening. We need to insert a tool with a flat end into this opening. I'm using a wooden stick for this. Insert the tool into the opening and press it firmly. This should release the spring clip that holds the airbag in place. While keeping the tool pressed, gently pull or pry the airbag away from one side of the steering wheel. It may not release on the first attempt. In my case, I had to try several times before I managed to release the retaining clip. Once the clip is released, the airbag can be carefully pulled away from the steering wheel. To make the airbag release procedure easier to understand, I'll show you how the mechanism works. This is the retaining mechanism. We insert the wooden stick through the opening, press against the spring, and push it to release the airbag. Now it's time to disconnect the airbag connectors. There are two connectors. We'll start with the yellow one. First, release the orange locking tab, and then carefully pry the connector out. Be gentle to avoid damaging or breaking the connector. Next, we move on to the black connector with the red locking tab. Release the red plastic lock first, and then carefully disconnect the connector. Once both connectors are disconnected, the airbag can be safely removed. Now it's time to reinstall the airbag. First, reconnect the two electrical connectors. It doesn't matter which one you connect first, but make sure each connector is fully pushed into place and then secured with its locking tab. Make sure the connectors are positioned correctly and that both locking mechanisms are fully engaged. The airbag is secured to the steering wheel at 3 mounting points. 2 are located at the top, while the third one is a clip at the bottom. Start by engaging the 2 upper mounting points. Make sure the airbag is correctly aligned with the steering wheel, and then press the bottom section firmly into place until the lower clip locks into position. As you can see, everything has clicked securely into place. Finally, check the gap around the airbag and make sure it is even on all sides. This confirms that the airbag is sitting correctly and is properly aligned with the steering wheel. Now we can reconnect the battery. Reconnect the battery terminal and tighten it securely. Then go back inside the car. The first thing we want to check is whether the horn is working correctly. Turn the ignition on and test the horn to make sure everything is functioning properly after reinstalling the airbag.